Hello, today we're going to talk about this product here. This is the Howlite Pro 10-inch ring light and media station. As you can see from the picture, it comes with a mic actually. So this is a very unique item. Now the tripod itself is very long. It's extendable, so it can really be used for a regular height of an individual, to bring it, to talk directly to it, to kind of do vlogging, podcasts, does photography, and also do a lot of hosting if needed. Now it comes with 3 modes of color: the white, the natural, and the warm. So 3 light modes. As it's normal, the same for a lot of these ring lights. You know, it's kind of like your tabletop ring lights come with like 3 light modes, and then also brightness level is probably like 10 or 9. So that's my experience with it. So this one is very similar to it too. So I'm just going to be doing an unboxing on this. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red button, and subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to build my subscriber base. If this video added value to your viewing, please hit the like button, and I always look for and welcome your comments. So let's get started and unbox this item right here. So this is the front, and then this is the back. And as you can see, it is very long. So pretty much once you get this, you're pretty much all set up, because you actually have the mic, and you have the ring light, and you have the stand for the tripod. And just a little information: 3 light modes: warm, cool, and daylight. 10 brightness levels. So that's what you're getting here. You're getting a tripod phone mount and microphone with flexible stand, extends up to 5 feet. All right. So let's unbox this. Let's see what we get. It's always nice, actually, unboxing these things. Very fun. I love it a lot. And I actually like, you know, sharing it with all of you to just kind of give you an idea of what, you know, availability of items that are out there. In case you have a desire to purchase one of these, feel free to leave comments. So there's your instruction booklet. You always want to keep this. This basically, once you built it out, it's going to stand like this. Now, based on my screen here, I'm not going to extend the tripod. I think it's very similar to other tripods that are available, but I will go through the process of attaching everything, giving you guys some details, and giving you guys an idea of how the end product looks like after you attach everything together. So let's get started. Okay. So the first things first is we're going to have your ring light right here. And once you pull it out, they already attach your phone holder and your phone holder stand, which is this right here, on the 10-inch ring light. So a lot of times you have to attach it yourself, but this one has already attached it for you. Once again, these come with USB for power, so you can plug in your computer, or you can plug into an outlet that has a USB port for you to stick the USB in there so you can get power. Remote control, red for power, plus minus for the 10 brightness levels, and in the center is where you're choosing your 3 mode colors. Okay, next thing you have here is your tripod head. What you're going to do is you're going to use the screw side, and you're going to attach it into the little hole right there. Now this piece right here allows you to loosen or tighten it. If once you tighten it, you can move it, but once you loosen it, you can actually tilt your 10-inch ring light. There's also your mic. And then there's also an extendable phone holder if you need to. it's more for the microphone to mount it, but you can also kind of extend your phone holder if you like to. I figure you can screw the other phone holder onto here and you have a longer one and you can tilt it. So depends on how you want to use it. You have your clip here to clip your mic. And then you have your adjustment knob right here, ball joint. So let me just make sure. Okay, so I have that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this together. Now this thing right here is something that you can use too for kind of adjusting, like for your mic to be in place to kind of stick on it. So basically what you can do is, if you notice right here, when you unscrew this piece here, it allows you to expand this piece, and this piece basically clips into the tripod body of it. So it's something to just remember. And then you can screw it back in a tight set. This piece doesn't come off, it sticks to this item right there. Just to let you guys know. So this uses for the mic to hold it in place. Okay. Let's go ahead and attach these things. Okay. So I'm going to use the, this is not your tripod head, but it's more of a piece where you can connect to the mic holder stand. So I just screwed it together, this piece to there. And then you're going to screw the holder for the mic. You're going to screw it onto this piece that is your mic holder stand. And then you're going to take the mic see right there. So the mic's in there, just holding it. And then this right here is your cable to stick for whether it's your phone or whether it's some audio, you can stick that in there. And then let's get the tripod out. Now, like I said, I'm not going to extend the tripod just for the size of this tripod, but so the tripod has a cap there, it's black. Just twist it to take the cap out. This is the tripod head that goes into the 10-inch ring light. You're going to screw the tripod under it, into it. So as you can see, it's really huge, really long. See? Ring light in your tripod. So let's just loosen one of the tripods. So I'm going to loosen this tripod. I'm going to swing it out. I'm going to tighten it back a little bit. Okay. So as you can see, your ring light this is already just one of the 2 slots that you can unloosen to stretch the tripod. Now the reason why I want to do that is I actually want to stick the mic holder stand that's attached to the mic head. I'm going to loosen it so I can wrap it onto the tripod. Now I'm just going to wrap it onto here. I mean, you can wrap it onto anything you like. I'm just going to wrap it onto here. And then I'm going to go. I'm going to tighten it. So it's tighten. Let me grab the mic that dropped. So as you can see, this is your ring light. This is your mic holder right here. And if you are vlogging and you have your ring light on, you can hang your mic right there, and then you can start talking away and making your video. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And while I'm doing that, let me just give you a price. So from regular retail price, probably like $50 or more for this. But if you can find it at big box discount places, probably $30. Okay, so we have the mic here. I'm actually going to put the mic down. I'm going to have the ring light here. I just want to show you. So I'm going to power up. So as you can see, you can hit the red light power right there. 3 modes, mode 1 right here, mode 2, and mode 3. Once again, the 3 modes. I think this mode right here is probably your warm, daylight, and cool. Depends on what you want and what you need for your specific, whether you're doing cosmetics or vlogging, or you're trying on clothes, and then you want to see what kind of fashion statements you're trying to market out there, or to present to your audience. So let's try the 10 brightness levels. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So remember, you want to hit the power button before you turn everything off. Don't just want to pull the USB, hit power, and boom, you're done. So that's pretty much it right here. This is for your phone. It stretches as they all come in normally. Hopefully this video added some value to your viewing. If so, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. Once again, this is the HaloLight Pro 10-inch ring light and media station. It's USB power, tripod, phone mount, and microphone with flexible stand, extends up to 5 feet. So this is what you're getting. It's 24 watt output, 10 brightness levels, 3 light modes, warm, cool, and daylight. Feel free, leave me some comments if you have it. Once again, subscribe to my channel if possible. I really welcome it. I'm trying to build my subscriber base. I'm always uploading videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you very much.